Hi, I'm Sidney. I'm an apprentice car painter at Mito Panel Works. I've always been interested in cars because growing up it was always around me. My family were always interested in it, and the truck shows and all the car shows I used to go to when I was young. I love that every day is different, every job's different. I'm never doing the same thing twice. I also love the satisfaction of completing a job, and you step back and look at it and what you've taken it from. It's just great. I'm really enjoying my apprenticeship so far. It's really good work and I've got a great team around me.
Sydney's been performing really well. She's got really stuck into her correspondence and going through all her assignments really fast and good. We are extremely pleased of how she's tracking through the whole apprenticeship side of things.
I've enjoyed working with Mito to Pūkenga, as they've been really supportive and the block courses have really helped me out, because in our shop I don't do a lot of the panel work side, and the collision and repair side of my apprenticeship I didn't get a chance to do at work, so it was really awesome to go do those just in the weekends and smash them out in a day. My goals for the future would be I'd like to eventually do my collision repair level 3 and 4, and then I'd like to move into more restoration painting.
I don't think there's any barriers for women entering the automotive industry. I think if you're determined to take on a career and get stuck in, that everybody's equal, and as long as people acknowledge each other and show each other, that there's no barriers whatsoever. Well, my advice to other employers that are taking on a woman in this trade is to give it a go. Take them on. There's no disadvantage or advantages of it. Everybody's got a right to prove themselves and to have a go. I think they'll be quietly surprised and very happy of the outcome of how they get through.
My advice to young women wanting to get into the industry would be to go into it with the right attitude and the attitude to learn, and the willingness to put 110% in every day.